Hello, my quilty friends. I am Debbie from InDe'B Quilt Shop. Haven't seen you for a while. I've been MIA, but I'm back again, and I am so excited to get going, sewing, get you guys all excited to come join us. We're got some fun things coming up. So, 4th of July is coming up. How about that? So, I have a quick, cute table topper and coasters to do, and everything is available on our website, InDe'B Quilt Shop. So go there, grab them, because we have some cute prints. We've got white. Look how cute. This one is a white and silver, a white on white, a white with a gray check. Look at the reds. Oh, I love red. Look how pretty. And red fat quarter bundles are on sale. Blue fat quarter bundles are on sale. Aren't those gorgeous? And all you need is 2 to 3 fat quarters to do this cute table topper I'm going to show you. It is Superstars for the 4th of July. Look at that. So cute. It is so easy. And little teeny coasters. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh. And once you decide what fabric you're going to use, and a couple hours and they're made. They're done. This one, you just cut your pieces out, sew them in pairs, red pair, blue pair. You sew them together and then sew them together and you're done. Look how cute. Turn it. So the pattern is Cut Loose Superstars on our website. And you know when you buy rulers and you never use them again? Well, you're going to use it again. Because if you bought our spiderweb ruler for our Christmas tree, you're using that for your stars. And when you could even do these in green and red for Christmas. You could do them in any colors to match your house. And you use this. You can do from 2 3/4 inch to 8 inch is this piece. Well, let me show you the white one. This piece is 8 inches. So you cut an 8-inch square. You put this ruler on your square. I don't know, this way I think. Anyway, cut it and then sew them together. Look how cute. Simple, fast. So, this is the back. This is the interfacing. I Frankensteined it because why waste it, right? You don't need a solid piece for this, but you could. Fat quarter friendly. This is big enough for the back to be a fat quarter. And our fat quarters are all on sale. So go get some. And I have the niftiest tool in the shop. This, I know you've seen these and wonder what the heck. Well, this little piece, I believe you can press lines, not press, but mark lines in your fabric. I've never done that. But this is the best turner. Pointer for your corners, these corners, points. This gets them out so good and don't even poke holes. At least I didn't poke a hole. If I use something else, I usually poke a hole. So what you're going to do after you've got all these sewn together, it says the pressure seams open. I didn't until I joined them. So when I joined my pairs, I pressed my seam open and pressed my seam open. Then when I joined them together, I pressed the seam open to alleviate the bulk through the middle. But it's personal preference, whatever you want to do. It was easier that way for me to line my center up. Okay, then you're just going to sew, you put your backing on with the fusible, just a thin fusible unless you want it thick. I don't want it thick for a table topper. Then you leave one piece on one part open. I left a little edge here. Turn it. I already did this on a live, so my material's wrinkled, but that's okay. We'll do it again. You're getting the extended version because now I'm a pro. Sorry. So now you take this fun little thing and just poke your corner out. Look at that. Have you ever seen a corner that pointy? I haven't. At least not after I turned it. I always had a little jiggy jaggy, but this thing gets just right up in there. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I love it. So we have that turner. I don't know what it's called. What is it called? I don't know what it's called, but it's in the notions. We have it on our website. You must have one. And you need to go get your fat quarters because our red and our blues are on sale and they are a stellar deal. I mean, and they're bundled together, or you can go and order yardage. The yardage is not on sale, but the red and blue fat quarter bundles are. And anyway, you don't have to watch me turn them all, but look at that. And then you just top stitch it around the edge, close your opening. And ta-da! Look how cute. So I did an 8-inch. I did these little teeny, were like 2 3/4 of an inch. This, I thought, I want to do one not quite so big and not so little. This ruler has all these marks on it, and you can do anything that is this measurement. So what you would do is cut your square, whatever it says on here. So like this is an 8-inch, so that's what size I cut the square for this big one. And then this one, I wanted a titch littler, so I just went on here and I looked, and I wanted about a 6-inch. So there's a 6.5, so I figured, well then by time seam allowance and stuff, it'll be a 6-inch. And so I just cut my square 6 inches, and it worked. I was so proud of myself because I did it. Anyway, so go run over to the website, hurry fast, get your, you probably already got this because I know you made the Christmas tree, and your pattern and your fat quarters, and get busy. These would be so cute for the 4th of July. Okay, that's all of that. But I got some fun, exciting things coming. So look at Christmas quilts, Christmas runners. You're like, why, Debbie, is there Christmas runners in the background? Well, because I love Christmas. And we're halfway there. 192 days. Just in case you want to know. But anyway, we are going to have a Christmas in July sale coming in July. And we are making cute, cute Christmas quilts. We've got some dang cute material coming in for Christmas, because you know, if you know me, you know I love Christmas. So we're gonna do that in July. We'll have Christmas in July, so watch for that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. I had fun coming back and seeing you. You'll be seeing more of me again. Okay, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, push the button, comment, say don't come on again. No, don't say that. I'm the nail girl, remember? I got my 4th of July nails. Oh yeah, my shirt. Sewing each day keeps the crazies away. My daughter made it for me because my kids said, Mom, you must have that. But I don't know if it keeps the crazy away because I haven't found out yet. But anyway, thanks for joining. Bye-bye.